In the progress of agricultural practices, machines play a very vital role in ensuring maximum output is achieved for owners. These machines need to pack a punch and be able to stand the test of time to even be considered on the farm. So today, we will look at 20 satisfying machines and ingenious tools that are worth having in agriculture. OXE-E. The OXE-E is an electric-powered machine that has been granted permission to operate on farms for tillage and preparing farmlands for planting season. This autonomous guided tractor gets its power from a cable that is connected to a 380-volt, three-phase line, a power barely enough to cause Superman any damage, but strong enough to send a normal human to the ICU. The cable used for its power supply can extend to a length of 1,500 meters or 3.1 inches. And for this impressive length and high-consuming power, self-generation is needed. This is why a lot of agricultural companies see the need to generate a portion of their own power in order to cut down costs and prevent damage or discomfort to neighbors. In generating their own power, hydroelectric, solar, hybrid, or biogas is mostly used. Triotrac M. Triotrac M is a new-gen feed mixer, which is equipped to be self-propelled. It has a volume of 14 cubed meters, or 3,700 liquid gallons, and for its working purpose, a cutting and loading system with a feed rotor is used which loads the feed into the tank where mixing is done. This unique loading system incorporated by the engineers ensures that operation is clean and loss of feed is brought to zero. Having this on the farm can make work faster and easier, giving the gluttonous animals their feed faster. Tevel Aerobotics Technologies. Robotics has been able to help humans make life easier, and this can also be extended to farm work. This machine, developed by Tevel, was brought about as an autonomous solution to help in harvesting farm produce. By utilizing this, there is reduced cost, accurate planning of harvest resources, increased yield during harvest, better fruit quality and reduction in food waste, all from the use of this convenient machinery. In addition to this, these flying robots can be selective in picking fruits like apples, pears, peaches, and the likes, with real-time monitoring by farmers using the software programmed into the machine. The Unitrac 92P5. Unitrac 92P5 is a multifunction vehicle, versatile to say the least, in many applications. This machine was manufactured by the German company Booker Municipal to be a customizable machine that allows users to adapt it into various needs like plowing snow, cutting grass, and transporting cargo. Drones. Drones have changed the market of aerial activity by providing an easy, controllable method which can also be utilized by farmers. By using drones, precision spraying technology can be mounted to spray over farmlands from an aerial view. Be it pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers, the efficiency of this technology is top-notch and can affect yield positivity at the end of the day. It helps cut costs by reducing the amounts of chemicals needed and also helps to reduce pollution and environmental impact of the process. Brouwers Robomax JD. The Brouwers Robomax JD is an advanced mechanized system which efficiently removes turfs from the ground. As designed, this machine can remove up to 5 rolls of turf at a time and place them on rear-mounted pellets which can be moved by a forklift, easy and precisely. When it's all said and done, these turfs can be transported for sale and used in making sports fields for the likes of Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo to kick a soccer ball, or in finishing parks where you can take a stroll with a lovely lady. Novatech Sorting Line. The company Novatech has an unwavering motto of, "Your business can produce exquisite fruit," which has led to the development of a sorting line that has an automatic unloading system. This machine also has a system for cleaning watermelon surfaces with brushes and other tools before they are being transported for sale. As a way of boasting about its tech, This machine has been guaranteed by the company to accurately weigh these watermelons and give high productivity of 3 watermelons per line. That's a staggering figure of 10,000 watermelons per hour. Insane! Autostack FSX Bale Loader. Autostack FSX Bale Loader is a machine designed for the purpose entailed in its name, loading bale. Autostack is a leading figure in the bale industry, and its machines serve that purpose to its best capabilities. This bale loader is designed to work at that Barry Allen speed, or if you are a football fan, Gareth Bale speed. And its monitoring systems and sensors put in place assure users of safety and ensure the machine operates efficiently. It is a machine with simple enough designs that could be understood by a toddler, and customizable devices for other tools and machines to be mounted to meet specific needs. Holland Blueberry Harvesting Machine. Holland Blueberry Harvesting Machine is an equipment used specifically for harvesting blueberries. For this task, the machine is driven through the blueberry plants, and a set of vibrating rods shake the berries off its branches. The harvested blueberries are then collected on a conveyor and transported to where they are either stored or processed into other products. By doing this, a lot of these fruits are harvested, and this makes for a successful harvest season. Farmbot Genesis. The Farmbot Genesis is a sophisticated piece used for planting in greenhouses. It performs operations like seeding, watering, detection of weeds, removal of weeds, and photo scanning. It has on it a cart which holds the seeds and a replaceable nozzle through which these seeds are passed into the soil, and this is all mounted on a metallic frame. For the parts of the machine that are plastic, a 3D printer is used, and a whole process is controlled using microcomputers. With the use of this robot, vegetables enough for a family of 5 can be grown, and this can translate to its high productivity. If you enjoyed the thrill of bale loaders and drones as pesticide sprays, prove it and hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Comprima Baler Series. Just like the Autostack loader, this machine is also used in the bale industry, in the compression of hay and straw into compact bales. The Comprima series by Krone serves farmers greatly in this aspect due to some advantages, such as its versatility. This means that the Comprima baler can handle bales of various sizes and textures to the satisfaction of farmers, making it a go-to choice for most of them. As the Ferrari of balers, this excellent choice is sure to make bale processes easier and more convenient. The Claas Lexion 770. After planting comes harvesting, and the Claas Lexion 770 machine is highly rated in its performance on this aspect. With a rotating device mounted at the front, it performs high-scale harvesting processes coupled with an efficient cutting-edge technology that places it above other combine harvesters on the market. It can also handle heavy loads, and with a threshing system, various crop types can be harvested at a faster rate than most. The Multirow Eco Weeder. Next, we look at a machine used for weeding, the Multirow Eco Weeder, which is equipped with rotating brushes arranged in series. These rotating brushes spin the soil surface to remove weeds and other unwanted debris to ensure the plants get to yield the best productivity. These can be adjusted and customized to meet differences in spacing, crop types, and plant arrangement in order for the best results to be achieved. Being a versatile tool as explained, weed control is made easier in various settings of agricultural practices. Be it dry or wet conditions, the Multirow Eco Weeder will finish up faster than a YouTube commercial. The Big Bud KTA 525. Big Bud KTA 525, powerful agricultural tractor manufactured in the USA by the Big Bud Company. This machine was designed with the intent of carrying out large-scale operations on the farm. It has a 525 horsepower, 6-cylinder diesel engine for this heavy-duty work. With this incredible power and torque, and a top speed of 25 miles per hour, field work and transportation becomes convenient on this tractor. Barry, the picking robot. On this part of the list we have Barry, an automated robot which was designed to pick strawberries. It does this by following 4 processes: scanning, picking, weighing, and packing the fruits, while moving around the greenhouse where these strawberries are planted. Its row switching in the greenhouse is done autonomously, and Barry only returns to the humans on the farm when the crates are full or when it needs a new battery. It makes you feel a little sad when you think about it, but hey, it serves its purpose. At best, this robot can pick up 4 crates of strawberries, an equivalent of 20 kilograms in mass. That's almost 45 pounds. Good job, Barry! The Challenger MT765C. Crawlers are important, powerful machines in agricultural practices, and the Challenger is a contender on the market for these machines due to its versatility and power. It was produced by AGCO Corporation, which is one of the leading names in agricultural equipment production. With an advanced track system, this Challenger is able to provide traction superior to others, despite the soil type or soil condition. This brings the benefits of operating this tractor on fields that may prove challenging and achieving the desired results with ease. By doing so, there's quite a range of tasks it could carry out. Horsch Leeb PT280. This self-propelled sprayer was designed for precise agricultural practices in protecting crops. It applies the crop protection products at speeds set by the operator. This speed can be slow or fast, depending on the style of application best suited for these crops. There are controls for each of the nozzles incorporated and height adjustments to prevent it from drifting while spraying is being done. We all know how dangerous drifts can be from the Fast and Furious franchise, so thorough calculations were done for this to be prevented. As an advantage to farmers, this machine saves cost and helps in improved crop yield, making for a profitable season for farmers. Feeder grinder. A feeder grinder helps in creating a mixture of animal feeds in finer and smooth forms like powder. When this uniform mixture is obtained, there is uniformity and consistency from the naked eye view. Hence, the nutritional value present in the feed is equal for all animals who are fed. Ingredients like grains, hay, and silage are what is placed into this machine to be grinded. These are what the herbivores need for their growth. Oxbo forage and hay harvesting machine. A leading figure in agricultural machinery and equipment, Oxbo has developed this forage harvesting and hay merging machine to make the process easier. In animal feeds and land preparation, hays and forages are very important. So having a machine that makes harvesting these an easy task can save time and cost, and by doing so, it helps in efficiently increasing the productivity of farmers and reducing these mountainous tasks to molehills. Stevia Mower Harvester. Stevia Mower Harvester is a special equipment used in harvesting the stevia plant. This stevia plant is a natural sweetener that is obtained from the stevia plant's leaves, which can be found in South America. This machine is equipped with a series of blades sharp enough to cut the plant at its base, and then transports these harvested plants by means of a conveyor belt into a storage bunker. With a precise and accurate cutting ability, there is no damage done to the plants, and every part above the base is protected. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of this video. Do well to subscribe to see more content from us. Until next time.